A Prayer to Start the Day by Leveridge. Dear Lord, today, as I step into this new day, I thank you for everything concerning me. May your strength within me rise higher than my failures or disappointments. Amid chaos, anchor my soul, Lord. Let your wisdom please guide my steps. May your peace calm my fears and your grace illuminate my path. May my faith be unwavering today, my spirit unshakable, and my purpose undeniable. Today, may I surrender my doubts, knowing that you are faithful to lift me up and cause me to triumph. In your precious name I pray.